equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will address the common E31 plate issue in the Thermomix TM31. This problem can often be resolved with a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you will see the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage or loose connections. If you notice any debris or dust, use the soft cloth to gently clean the area. This can often resolve minor issues. Now, focus on the wiring connected to the E31 plate. Check for any loose connections or frayed wires. If you find any, carefully reconnect or replace them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After checking the connections, it's time to reassemble the unit. Place the base cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any further issues. Before plugging it back in, take a moment to double-check that all screws are in place and that there are no leftover parts. This is crucial for the safe operation of your Thermomix. Once you're satisfied, plug the Thermomix back in and turn it on. Test the E31 plate to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may require a more in-depth diagnosis. We provide professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can find out exactly what's wrong without any pressure. If you need further assistance, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed. In summary, fixing the E31 plate issue in your Thermomix TM31 can often be done with a few simple tools and steps. However, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. With our services, you can enjoy the convenience of no calls, no travel, and expert assistance right at your doorstep. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Thermomix is back to working perfectly soon. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.